This is the elevator at McEwen Hall at SUNY Fredonia in Fredonia, New York. This elevator is like in this weird vestibule area. Has probably an ESCO elevator with GAL fixtures. It's kind of interesting, like deep. Are these replacement? No, this is probably a 90s installation. It's like an Atlas elevator. Go down the basement here, go down. Here's the basement. There's like a side COP on both the front and the brake. It's kind of interesting, not seeing something quite like that before. Here's the basement. Go to 3. Of course, when you hit the button here, you go out. Bouncy. A lot of the elevators in this campus are kind of bouncy. Here's 3. Weird noise. 3 opens on this side. It's a little low down. And I'll go back on the ground. It's a basic cab. I wonder if it's some Atlas elevator from New York or if it's the Atlas dumbwaiter company. I guess it's some company from New York now. Here's like a ground